And here we are at Van Wert Carts and More, 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert, Ohio. 419-238-2732. Looking at a brand new 2019 EZGO Valor EFI, fuel injected, electronically fuel injected. Good looking cart. It is the black color, and it does have the 14-inch black and silver rocks wheels with the 215/35 14 rocks RXS street tire on it. It does have a 5-panel mirror. Just a good looking cart here. Again, it's a 2019 new EZGO Valor fuel injected. Does have the flip fold rear seat. Folds down into a rear cargo area and back up, and now you have your 4-passenger. Hey, get out here to 883 North Washington Street here in Van Wert. Check this cart out. It is slick. Those wheels just go perfectly with this cart. So get out here, give us a call, 419-238-2732. Look forward to seeing y'all. Thank you.